Welcome to an epic dance-off, cat versus robot. Two unlikely opponents, one dance floor. Who will claim the crown? Our feline friend starts off strong, showing us some smooth moves. Not to be outdone, the robot counters with a mechanical groove that's hard to beat. As the battle rages on, we see flips, spins, and a lot of fancy footwork. The tension mounts, the crowd is speechless. Suddenly, an unexpected twist. Our furry contestant nails an acrobatic move, while our mechanical marvel responds with a dance sequence straight out of a sci-fi movie. The crowd goes wild. Drumroll please. And the winner is, oh, what a thrilling conclusion. We won't spoil it for you here. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this epic dance battle. Stay tuned for more #CatV's Robot Showdowns. Until next time, keep dancing.